Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Chanel here, and yes, I'm about to try on a wig. I know it's been a minute, but all good things come to those who wait. Anyway, so I got this wig from Braids Queen, and they sent me a wig. It's called Goddess Box Braids. It's a 13x4 lace frontal wig. It comes in the color 1B /27. It is 28 inches long. There she is, you guys. 28 inches long. So it's a 13x4 lace area, and it's realistic cornrow wig. It's 100% hand braided, which is pretty cool. Now the size on this wig is a medium standard, which is 22.5 inches. You know, hopefully it fit my big forehead, because I have a big forehead, so hopefully that doll there fit my forehead. Anyways, you guys, let's try on the wig. So it doesn't have a foul scent, which is a plus, because normally wigs have a foul scent, like from the factory and stuff, but I never liked the smell. Anyway, so it doesn't have a foul scent, which is good. The lace is like kind of like brown, but you know, I like to put more powder just to kind of like hide my scalp or the cap I'm wearing. So I'm going to go in there with some Fit Me powder in the color 360. I'm going to put some all over, like all over the lace, you know. Okay, so it has like some adjustable straps in the back. I'm just gonna let it out because I have a big forehead, so I'm gonna let this out.